guys, it's Dawn from Let's Make a Mess today. How are you doing? Listen, I have some more covers here, some journal kit covers on Etsy for sale. I only have 8 this time. Here they are, the 8 of them. But let me just run through the covers really quick and then we'll do a little chit chat. First, I have some, they're like pumpkins and leaves, and they have a little embossed, they're different colors. This one has like embossed trees on it, and this one has like an embossed like words on it. But the thing is, um, I'm just gonna pick which one. So just pick the pumpkin, okay? Just pick the pumpkin, and you will get the right one. And then that's gonna be called. This is gonna be called pumpkin, okay? Pumpkin and gourd. And then we're gonna have trucks. I've got some with trucks on it. So they have the green inside, and then some have words and some have embossed leaves, but it doesn't really matter about the insides. Those are just the inside cover. You're going to probably cover these with pockets and whatnot anyway, so But anyway, so then we have of course, we have the red truck and the pumpkins. So that we have pumpkins and red trucks, and we have 2 of each. So I only made 8 this time, you guys, because I just the way it worked out. Then we have some leaves, and these have a little tiny, just a smidgen of metallic on it. So we're just going to call these little metallic leaves, autumn leaves. Aren't those beautiful? So those are the autumn leaves, and they have little pumpkins on the inside. So those are the autumn leaves. And then we're going to call these the bright autumn leaves because these are a little yellower, a little brighter. Okay, so there we have it. Those are the 4 covers, and each one is going to come with a packet of goodness. Okay, so let me show you what the goodness is. And again, these are on Etsy if you're interested. I'm just trying to make the background look a little bit better, and all I had was this Halloween, but that's okay. So each kit is going to come in one of these little black bags, and each one is going to come with matching tags. So let me get the ones out that this matches. This matches this one, so let's pull this out. Okay. So these are the gourds. Aren't those pretty though? These have a little metallic on them as well. Oh, and by the way, these are 9x6, and they have like a 2-inch spine. And so each kit is going to come with matching tags. So you'll have some matching tags to go on your kit. Aren't those pretty? And again, this is fabric, so it's a nice cottony fabric. So really fun to play with. And if you want to, doll up the cover, you can just use Fabri-Tac or whatever, and it's beautiful. Works out beautiful. And then here's the goodies that comes with each kit. Of course, you're going to have matching fluffy paper clips and some leaves. I just picked out some fall leaves here for you to play in your kit. Just a piece of this trim, this Autumn Harvest trim. This is all just little bits and bobs I got here and there for you. Some bric-a-brac here for you, some autumn colored bric-a-brac to trim your pages with. Everybody's got a couple of sunflower seeds that are adorbs. And then these are, again, I like to send stuff that you could probably use, let me pull these out of here, on your covers if you want, or your pages. It's totally up to you. But again, they're yours, and I'm not going to do it for you. I'm going to let you do it. But they're big enough to put on the trim on there like so. Or you can use this one, which is really pretty. So each is going to get a couple of pieces of trim to put on your books. Or you can put them, again, you can put them in your pages. Okay, so each is going to get a couple of pieces of trim. So there's that. And I only made 8 this time. Last time I made 12, and they went pretty fast. And I figured, well, I only had enough cereal boxes to make 8, so I just made 8. And then this little piece of metallic, like netting, which is kind of like pretty to put over a page, or like a, what do you call that? A flip. And then a really cute floral. It's not really floral, but it's a beautiful fall napkin. And then and everybody's going to get a couple of these, 3 actually. 3 little ceramic leaves. They're all different colors. They come in pinks and whites and corals and greens. So I picked a color for each of you. 3 for each of you. Oh, and then I just threw in one of these little Dollar Tree glittery leaves that are really cute. They have a little hook on the back. So you can actually hook that on the front of your book and be done, because this is just that pretty in my opinion. But I'm going to go ahead and put it in here so that it doesn't get all over the place. So that's going to be the kit that's on Etsy right now. And so yeah, there's only 8 of them this time around, guys. I just didn't have that many cereal boxes. And so I did put out a video asking if you wanted to trade with me, I would give you, oh, sorry, there's more alarms going off here. If you wanted to send me some cereal boxes, I will send you an ATC card. So there's that. That's going on right now. And I'm putting this right here so that I know which kit this goes to. So there you have it, you guys. If you are interested in this kit right now, it is on Etsy, and I hope you get are able to get one. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Take care. Be well.